In this video, we're going to show you how to bridge your bank token from the Polygon network back to Ethereum mainnet. First step, we're going to make sure that we have the tokens we'll need to do the transfer. Make sure that you're on Polygon mainnet when you're checking the balance for a couple of these because we want to be bridging the assets from Polygon back to mainnet. If you don't have the configuration inside of your wallet, you can just go to chainlist.org and then you can look up Polygon, and then when you click connect wallet, it will allow you to add it to MetaMask. I already have it added, so it's not going to open up the MetaMask approval, but this would be the easiest way to do it. So once you've made sure that you've added the Polygon mainnet to your wallet, first thing we want to check is we want to make sure we have bank. I have bank in here. I've confirmed that I have bank. So I've got bank. We also need Matic. We will need a little bit of Matic to make the transaction to pay for gas. And then finally, we're going to need Ethereum. We're going to need ETH over on the ETH mainnet side to unlock our bank and give that to us. Over on the Ethereum mainnet side, I want to make sure that I do have ETH in this wallet so that I can unlock the funds from the Ethereum transaction. If you're a little bit confused, give us a couple seconds and I'll explain more in a second. So we verified that we have all the tokens that we need. The next step is going to be to visit the Polygon bridge. If you don't already know how to get to the Polygon bridge, you can just open up a new tab in your browser and then look up Polygon bridge. First result takes you to where I am right now. Once you're here, we click on Polygon bridge, and then we are going to connect with, for me, MetaMask. Make sure that I'm in the right account, sign it. Once the transaction has been signed, I get taken over the Polygon bridge. We don't want to deposit. We're not depositing into Polygon. We want to withdraw from the Polygon chain to the Ethereum chain. And what we want to change out is we want this to be our bank token. I like keeping my bank over on Polygon, so I really don't want to move much. I'm only going to send 50 bank. Now let's transfer. We'll click continue. Looks like the total cost is going to be around $300. We have two transactions here. One is a Polygon transaction on the Polygon network. The other one is a transaction on the Ethereum network. So that's why we had to check that we have a balance inside of our Matic wallet on the Polygon network. And we also had to check that we have Ethereum over on the Ethereum network. So now we will continue. Let's send off this transaction. So we are going from Polygon over to Ethereum. Transfer mode will be the proof of stake bridge, and it'll take approximately 3 hours to transfer our funds back to Ethereum. Transaction fee, it's estimating it at $0. That's awesome. Let's continue. Okay, awesome. And it's even going to make sure that we're on the right network. So before it lets us approve, we are going to switch our network over to Polygon mainnet. So we'll continue. It looks like we are now in progress. Okay, looks like wait until the Matic checkpoint arrive with your previous transaction. It takes about 45 minutes to 3 hours. It's been over an hour and I'm still seeing the same page on my initial transfer. So what I'm gonna do is open up another page with the same information. So I'll go over to the Polygon bridge and then I'll see up top that I have one pending transaction. I'll head there to that pending transaction and I see that I can actually go ahead and take a step. So I'll continue. And now for the second step, I can approve this transaction fee. This time on the Ethereum network, I have switched my wallet over to the Ethereum mainnet. Polygon will not let you complete this transaction unless you have switched to ETH mainnet. And that price looks good, so I'm going to confirm it. It looks like it says the transfer was completed. And I see success over here on Etherscan, which tells me that we have successfully withdrawn 50 bank from the Polygon Matic network. So we can check this in a couple of places. Let's go over to my wallet on Etherscan. So I'll look up my wallet. And when I find this guy, I'll go directly to my actual wallet. And now, 51 seconds ago, it looks like I interacted with the Polygon bridge. And if I drill into that transaction, we can see that is where I got my withdrawal. And so in total, I've got 95,000 bank. So the transaction went through. I got my bank. Everything is looking good. I wonder if I can drill in on this bank to just go through the numbers and make sure that the math makes sense. So it looks like a while ago from the BanklessDAO, I was issued 14,583. So let's open up a calculator. So we've got 14,583 bank. I then received another 91,000 bank, 91,002. After that, I bridged 10,000 bank over to Polygon. That's 10,000, which takes us down to 95,558. After that, I bridged 50 Matic from Polygon back to Ethereum. So now I will add 50, and so my bank should be 95,635, which is exactly what it is. So we have successfully withdrawn our bank tokens from Polygon back over to Ethereum. Everything is done. Special shout out to the BanklessDAO for bringing this initiative to bring bank onto Polygon. BanklessDAO is the best DAO in the metaverse. Thank you for tuning in.